So here we have my Lenovo Preferred Pro 2 wired keyboard. So I've had this now for about 6 years. I do have it here in my office. The only reason I have this one and I haven't converted to a wireless one because I feel like this one gets the job done. It's very efficient. It's great. And honestly, I like how the keys are big and high profile, so they stick out. So for example, like when my mom or someone elderly tries to use this, it's very easy for them to see the keys, right? Because these are high profile, the letters are big. Not like some of these other ones, like wireless ones that are very hard to see and hard for an older person to use, right? So overall, if you're in the market for a wired keyboard, consider this one. This is a very great option. Lenovo is a great brand. You know, you're gonna get quality products with them. You know, I love the high profile keys. And the cool thing about this one is I really like how these little stands here do give a better angle for anybody to type. So overall, very happy with this keyboard. Highly recommend this one.